Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you create a broadcast channel on Instagram, then you came to the right video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can we do that in a very easy and clear method. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we go ahead and open Instagram right here. Make sure you are logged into your account and then tap on the chats icon in the top right corner right there guys. Of course, this will take you to your chats and conversations. At the top right corner, you should find this pencil icon inside the square. Tap on it. And right here, you should find the broadcast channel option. You should tap on the members that you want to add to your broadcast channel. And in the bottom, as you can see, guys, I don't have the add to broadcast. I have to create group chat. So basically, I do not have that option in this account. So it's safe to say that not all accounts have this option right now. And even if you go to the Instagram's official website and official instructions on how can you create a broadcast channel, you'll find out that we followed the exact same steps. And even though we did that exactly, we cannot create a broadcast channel because that feature is not available to all accounts right now, and it is rolling out eventually. So what you should do from here is to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply search for Instagram. Make sure you are always keeping your Instagram application up to date because, as I said, it is kind of a new feature or a new option for some accounts right now. So again guys, keep your app updated and keep retrying this same method, maybe every week or every 2 weeks, and eventually your account will have this option and you can finally go ahead and create a broadcast channel on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.